Hello friends. Today we're going to learn how to increase the amperes of a power supply using just one simple component. With this method, you can easily fix the issue of power drop. Take a 22K resistor and connect it to the first two legs of the optocoupler. Or you can find the 220 volt input side and connect the 22K resistor there. Like this. Project is ready for your test. You can see the drill machine is working smoothly. Now, let's remove the 22K resistor and test again. You'll notice the drill machine isn't working properly anymore, because the power supply amperes are lower than what the drill machine needs. If we connect the 22K resistor back to the optocoupler, the drill machine starts working smoothly again. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, so please tell in comments, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.